everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm sharing makeup released by early access. Enter my beauty gifting and buyers to shop luxury beauty gifts for everyone on your list, from friends and mothers to brothers and all beauty lovers. New Hollywood Blush and Glow Glide Palette into Deep. This price is $29. Rich terracotta toned powder blush for a long-lasting, warm pop of color. This price is $75. Limited edition 9-pin eyeshadow palette featuring neutral and eye-popping golden, pink, lilac, and silver shades in a mixture of matte and metallic finishes. Pillow Talk Beautifying Lip and Cheek Secrets. This price is $54. Pillow Talk gift set, including a full-size nude pink matte lipstick and travel-sized lip liner, lip gloss, and beauty light wand. Pillow Talk Dreams Come True Pillow Talk. Edit of 14 full-size Pillow Talk makeup icons, perfectly packaged in an easy to-gift vanity case with mirror. Collagen Lip Bath Icons Kit. This price is $32. Mini Lip Gloss Trio for gorgeous and glossy supermodel lips. Includes nude pink Pillow Talk, clear refresh, rose and sheer berry walk of no shame. Charlotte's Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets. This price is $210. 12-drawer beauty advent calendar featuring some of my most magical and award-winning makeup and skincare icons. This price is $32. Mini Beauty Light Wand gift set, including the award-winning Spotlight and social media sensation Pinkgasm shades for cheekbones that glow forever. Charlotte's Magic Mini Skin Set. This price is $40 for .00 mini skincare gift set, including my award-winning serum and moisturizer duo for immediate skin revival. Charlotte's award-winning beauty icons. This price is $180. Gift set including full-sized moisturizer, setting spray, mascara, and nude pink lipstick with limited edition makeup bag. Hollywood Blush and Glow Glide Palette Light to Medium. This price is $29. Mini Cheek Palette with rosy pink blush and pearlescent pink highlighter shades for glowing, lifted-looking skin and pretty, blush cheeks. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Kit. This price is $32. Gift set including a travel-sized bottle of my original best-selling setting spray and a travel-sized bottle of my rejuvenating white tea of Bali scented setting spray, which is back in this magical gift set exclusively for the holidays. Beautyverse Eyes and Glowing Cheeks Kit. This price is $105. Save a magical 10% asterisk on 9-shade eyeshadow palette and my limited collector's edition Disney 1.0 Beauty Light Wand for perfect party eyes and cheekbones that glow all night. Swipe the future matte shades across and into the crease of the eyelids using the eye blender brush. Wear alone or to create the perfect base for show-stopping makeup magic. Pillow Talk on the Go Kit. This price is $54. Pillow Talk gift set including travel-sized mascara, eyeliner, liquid blush, lip liner, and lipstick in everyone's perfect nude pink shade. Sharpen your Pillow Talk eyeliner with your pencil sharpener for a precise and pointed line. Start from the inner corner of the upper eyelid and draw a line as close to the lash line as you can. Charlotte's Exager Eyes Beauty Secrets Exager Eyes. This price is $64. Gift set including a rose gold eyeshadow palette. And dual ended black and nude eyeliner for bigger, brighter looking eyes. If you like my today's video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye.